Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. India with a lot of heritage, India with lot of religion and diversity, and India with a traditional country, and then comes India with such a cringe serials. So, when you see those serials, there is nothing in it which consists only of lame contents. Man, even action scenes are okay. That's fine. Okay, it's fine. There is no logic. It's fine. There is no physics. It's fine. It's fine. So, I was just browsing it and then I just, picked up some of the serials scenes and not the whole thing. Oh, trust me. Oh my God. How can you even sit there and watch that thing which has nothing in it? The first thing is only they show the face of the actors or actresses who are there just with a slow motion and a different angle. The second one is goes within an advertisement. Half of the serials are advertisement, and the third one which goes in that music only. I have no idea how these desi aunties look at there and then look at and then watch those serials without any distraction. That is like so irritating to watch. And today I have some of the videos and let's just watch it, and I cannot wait to get inside the video. Let's just have a look at those clips. So let's just have a look at the first video. I'm so excited. Here we have our first heroine and hero. He's a hero.
Are you comedy me?
What an introduction. Wow. There's no sunrise or something. Why should we do these? Arey bhai, what is there in it? Why should you do this? Why should it be so dramatic? This isn't. Did you see how many times it was repeated? Let me just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. I can't even count now. Arey man, I'll become mad. What was that? They were just showing their face with a different angle, and that only they spent it like more than 10 minutes. And just think about the serial, how much it would be. This says that there is 10% content and 90% is slow motion and from different angles showing their faces. Typical Indian serials. This one piece of clip, how much time they are showing it. I feel so sorry for the editor here. How much time you have to edit these things, and this is so lame. Let's have a look at the second video. Seems like some mother-in-law, daughter-in-law's problem. Oh my God, First of all, who puts that much bindi, that big bindi? It's only in Indian serials. And that's it, what happened in that scene? She was having some argument and then she just broke into glasses and pieces. Oh, I should say that this serial is my favorite serial because the Bahu, the daughter-in-law who is there, she's so clever. She's so clever that you cannot imagine. Have a look. She literally washed her laptop and she hung there in that rope also, just like cloth.
I am the way your son don't need.
Oh man, I feel so sorry for you, man. This is also seems like some of the mother-in-law, daughter-in-law problems, which is like mostly 90% of the serials have. This affects everywhere.
हैप्पी दिवाली प्रिया। प्रिया, क्या तुम आज मेरे साथ चलोगी?
He's just asking that for this Diwali, can you come with me? The way it is shown here is like.
मुझको मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी खराब है।
She told that she had a fever and. Okay, how can that even happen? Ugh. Okay, nothing can be the South Indian serial, especially this scene. Dancing on the floor.
யார்கிட்ட கதை விடுற? சொன்ன வேலைய பண்ணியா? சரியா பண்ணியா? சொல்லு. முடிச்சியா? சொல்லுடி. படமல கதையை முடிச்சிட்டியா? அரகுற. வஞ்சிருக்கா பராள் ப்ரொஃபஷனலா ஆகுது. ஒரு கத்தி எடுத்துட்டு போய் எங்க குத்துறதுன்னு கூட தெரியாம அரகுற குத்தி அவனை காப்பாத்த.
Okay. Ouch, I pakdo. Oh my god, catch her. The hero is going to catch her, of course. Why can't he run fast? See, mostly in this kind of things, they literally run slowly, and in that also they have to put slow motion. See, I told you, they show these people's face, every people's face in the family like for 5 minutes. Still she's not falling. If I was, I would have been dead and I would have gone and I would have reborn again. Yeah, the bad one in the family. Arey, pakdo! Catch her! No, she's going to fall. No. What? Oh no! He wants to. What? Arey, catch her!
NANI?お前はもう死んでいる。
None of the serials is without this slow motion and zooming. Bad one. The hero. What is exactly happening here? Okay, now let's get into the South Indian clips, which is like super duper lame. Oh shit, no! Just shot her, man. Arey, bachao! What? She got into the car, still she did not die. Still she is alive in this world. பூதா முக்கியம். Please yaar. time. Only you can do it, sister. Only you can do it. Please die at least now. Please die. So guys, these are the videos which I've got. I couldn't find much amount of, these kind of videos, and especially these Indian scenes. So all I see is that action movies and action stuff, South Indians especially. So I couldn't find much clips, but this was, I think, worth it, because the way they actually represent in these serials are mind-blowing. They can even win Oscar for these kind of things. Especially the main point is about the editing. So that was really good. So thank you so much for watching. I came to the end of the video. Thank you so much. And if you really want to get happy, or if you want to feel funny, or if you want to laugh or something, just go in front of the television on this serial and just sit. That is the thing you can do. Especially if you have any doubt, you can just clarify with your aunties or something, because I do the same thing, because I cannot understand anything. So I ask her, she just explains it to me. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any other suggestions in any videos, you can mention down in the comment and tell me about this video, how good it is, how bad it is. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you have been watching for a long time, just subscribe to my channel. And until the next video,